Alright, YouTube, let's keep this short and simple. We're going to be opening up Battles of Legend Monster Mayhem on the channel. One of the very few and rare times we ever post videos. But anyway, hope you're looking forward to it. And apparently some cards are short printed, and I am hoping to get a lot of the short prints. Well, without further ado, let's just get started on this real quick. Alright, first pack. And I have no idea if it's the left or right side. It's all kind of jumbled up in there. But alright, we got Necroquip Princess, Chibi Honest, No Punk Foxy Tunes. That's pretty nice. We got Herald of Orange Light and Gemnite Crystal. The emblazoned cards are also kind of cool if this would just focus. There we go. Second pack. We got DD Extra Surveyor, Primite Drill Beam, nice. No Foxy Tunes, Fairy Tale Prologue, and Herald of Purple Light. I'm hoping we do pull a Starlight rare. That'd be pretty nice. Gemnite Alexandrite, number 8, Recton Dragon Ruler of Pebbles, Dragon Maid Shio, and Heraldic Beast Aberconway, or Aberconway. So far, nothing that exciting except for the Primite stuff. Herald of Green Light. Ooh, Chibi Galaxy Eyes. That's neat. We got Ukiyo-e Punk Shirakusai, Draxtego, and Motor Kaiser. Fifth pack, I assume. Yeah, this is the fifth pack. We got Gemnite Alexandrite, Scrap Garage, True King's Return. That one is pretty nice. Punk Jam Extreme Session, and number 69. Gem Turtle, Ice Doll, Necros of Trishula. This is the alt art, pretty nice too. Mekk-Knight Crusadia Avermax, and number 69. Heraldic Beast Unicorn, Gemnite Master Diamond Dispersion, No Punk Zaman, and Gem Merchant, and Magia Magic Thunder of Judgment. We got Gemnite Amethyst, the Fabled Behemoth, Primite Lordy Load, nice. We got Girsu the Orcus Mekk-Knight, Necros Mirror. That's like the second Necros card. Hoping to get them all. Wonko, Noble Knight of the Forest. Gem Knight Holocore, nice. Dragon Maid Downtime, there's the emblem right there. King of the Feral Imps, and Jirax Stego. And this marks our 10th pack. Ice Doll Mirror, Artifact Lancia, Nightmare Phoenix, Gem Knight Lazuli, and Bat, the Forest Ninja. 11th pack. Gem Turtle, Gem Knight Zircona, Jirac Volcano, Nightmare Unicorn. Would have been nice if they also had the art for this. And Gem Elephant. Alright, Herald of Greenlight, Summon Sorceress with the errata, No Punk Ogre Dance, number S38 Titanic Galaxy, and Fairytale Prologue. Ice Doll Mirror, Gem Knight Phantom Quartz, Gem Knight Lady Brilliant Diamond, World Legacy World 1, and Fable Gamagen. Oh, I sincerely do hope we pull a Starlight Rare, that'd be amazing. Jirac Aolo, Gem Knight Dispersion, No Punk Rising Scale, Heraldic Beast Burner Falcons, and Blaster Dragon Ruler of Infernos. I don't know why they reprinted the big ones, considering that they were in the previous Rarity collection. Revelation of Hope, Jirac Impact, Jirac Meteor, Longrisu the Orcus Orchestrator, oh this is the new one, and 2-for-1 Repair Job. Gem Knight Prismara, Necroquip Princess, Gem Knight Master Dispersion. Oh, that's our first duplicate, Orcus Symbol Skeleton, and 2-for-1 Repair Job. First secret rare duplicate. Let's see if we can get more Primite stuff. Unchained Soul of Anguish. I forgot this was in here. Wait, what? That was weird. Usually it's the second card where the secret rare is. Yeah. Galaxy Journey. Orcus Nightmare. Necros of Decisive Armor. And Advanced Heraldry Art. Okay, Tidal Dragon Ruler of Waterfalls, Onomatopoeia, Gem Knight Fusion, nice, Orcus Harp Horror, and Fairytale Prologue. We are on to our final 6 packs. Three-quarters of the way through already. Gem Knight Master Diamond, Lightning Dragon Ruler of Drafts, Ukiyo-e Punk Amazing Dragon, Disciples of the True Draco Phoenix, and Redox. We got Gem Turtle, DD Scale Surveyor, Drac Meteor, another double, Dingrisu, the Orcus of the Evening Star, and Gem Armadillo. Oh, that's our first one. I was wondering where this one was. DD Extra Surveyor. Oh, Primite Dragon Ether Barrel. We got Orcus Brass Bombard, Dogmatica Maximus, and Fabled Gamagen. Final 3 packs. This is the third to last one coming up. We have Heraldry Reborn, Necroz Divine Mirror, new one right there. Summon Sorceress, Nurse Dragon Maid. Oh my god, this is like the first main deck Dragon Maid I've seen. Gem Knight Aquamarine. Second to last pack. Can we pull a Starlight? I doubt it. But one can hope. Twin Pillars of Ice. Gorz the Emissary of Darkness. Nice seeing another Chibi. Dragon Maid Kermba. And Redox. And 2-for-1 repair job. Alright, our final pack. Let's end it with a Starlight rare. That's impossible, as we all know. If only we got in the EU boxes. Onomatopoeia, Fabled Behemoth, Drac Astro, No Punk Foxy Toon, and S38 Titanic Galaxy. All in all, I think we did all right. Not the best. We got all of the Primite, one of each, but it looks like we did not get the short prints for Necroz and for Gem Knights, sadly enough. The main deck monsters in particular. Anyways, you should subscribe, hit the bell notification, leave a comment. Any interaction will make the channel grow, and hopefully we can post out more videos. It's going to be a pretty sparse box opening week, as the both of us, Chrisidian, and Optimal are both broke. But stay tuned. We might do deck videos instead. Anyway, guys, have a nice day, and please come back again later when we release a video in like 3 months. That was sarcasm, but not really.